Updating your payout destination on Steam is essential for ensuring that your earnings are directed to the correct account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile name in the top right corner and selecting account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate payout information. In the account details section, look for the payout information or payment methods option. Click on it to view your current payout destination. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout destination, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Steam. Make sure to double check your new information to avoid any issues with future transactions.